babies and stuff. My nails are too long. I trim. Ow, in my eye. iPad. It's laptop. Like a lion. This is outfit of the day. I have some hair serum. Why is it so dark? Ow! All thrifted. By the way, my favorite thrift store is closing down. Or they're moving somewhere else. And I don't know what to do because I got maybe around 90% of my closet from there. Okay. I'm putting on my shoes and let's go. Oh, you know what I forgot to do? Hold on. Let's go. I'm going. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, just came back from Kroger because we didn't have any potatoes, so I got some potatoes and then some yogurt. But I will start prepping dinner right now. Oh my god. Hey boy. Ta-da! They're already posting PSAT memes. Oh my god, they always do that. Cause like there's this one passage where like this woman was like testing like on like newborn babies and stuff and how they would react to like pictures of humans' faces. I think I need more sauce. Good morning. Here's the outfit. Oh, hair oil. I think I use this more during the winter time or just the colder season. Okay, let's go. Oh, I still have my hair oil. Good morning. I am here. Oh, yeah. Here's Nana. Hi to Nana. I opened some. My other ones are really dirty. Dang, this is huge. It won't protect me from the virus because it's so big. Let's go. Let's go. I got back from school a while ago. I had lunch. Now I'm just doing some work. Oh. What's it called? 1, 6. Yeah. Dang, the instrumental is really good. Okay. Bye. Question mark? My Canada! Big miss. Hey guys, this was a few videos ago, but I was on a mission to find the perfect lip product. My mom actually recommended this. It was a couple weeks ago. No, it was like a month ago, more than a month ago. This is amazing. Like when you wake up in the morning, you just feel the dead skin and then you can just get a tissue and wipe it all off. It's really amazing. I'm gonna go back to work. This is stained too? What? How do I always stain my clothes? This mask is huge. Massage. Oh. My s'mores, and then there's the 5. These are so good.
I was like, okay, fine, I'm gonna ask Alex.
Hey guys, I hope you liked that video. I'm actually hosting a giveaway for you guys. This is only for US and Canada, but I am doing an international giveaway in another video, so stay tuned for that. It'll be a $3. What can I do? It's a $10 YesStyle gift card for 3 people. Let's see. The rules is just follow YesStyle and me on Instagram, and then comment down your Instagram handle so we can send it to you. I'll be doing an international giveaway soon, so just look out for that, and then you'll see what I'm giving away. I hope you guys like that video, and I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.